Let me challenge you. If you got handed $1 million right now, could you design a luxury home that would blow away America's top 1%? Truth is, 95% of people get it completely wrong. But today, I'm going to make you part of the 5%, the ones who design for billionaires. Asterisk, I'm Andrew Track, a luxury interior consultant. From New York to Dubai, I've transformed homes for over 50 millionaires. Today, you'll learn 1. Secret psychology tricks that make luxury a feeling, not just a look. 2. The 3 items that instantly make your space look cheap. 3. How to get VIP access to backdoor deals from brands like Fendi and B&B Italia. 1. The billionaire mindset. Luxury design isn't about spending money. It's about controlling how people feel the moment they walk into your space. Psychology hack? Lighting that boosts serotonin, like a soft dimmer lamp under an Oscar Wilde painting. The common mistake? Trying to match everything. The fix? Use the 70-30th rule, 70% neutral, 30% wow factor. 2. 3 deadly sins of luxury design. These mistakes scream new money. 1. Fake crystal chandeliers, replaced with hand-blown Murano glass. 2. Cheap marble look tiles, go for real Calacatta gold slabs. 3. Overlit rooms, install human-centric lighting by Lutron. Asterisk. 3. How I get VIP access for clients. Asterisk. Here's what most people don't know. Italian brands charge American clients extra. My secret? Trade-only showrooms like the Pacific Design Center in LA, designers only. Insider trick. Do cross-marketing deals with brands. Give them content from your project. Asterisk. Asterisk. Now it's your turn. Subscribe my channel and save this video, and I know you like this video definitely. Save this video. I update it with new trends every month. Asterisk. Drop a comment with #LuxuryChallenge plus your city name. I'll give free design tips to 3 lucky viewers. Asterisk. Stay luxurious, baby. Front-facing baby chick.